The shipments icon removes items from inventory when they are sold. It's used instead of shipping items from within order entry, most likely because order entry does not exist. Entering shipments here does not update order entry if it exists, nor does it create an invoice for the customer within accounts receivable. If the item is defined using the user-specific cost, reduce inventory stock levels there, and do not use this icon. As with receipts, the new shipment number indicates entry of a new shipment where the system uses the next sequential shipment number. Optionally, enter a unique shipment number, or scroll through or click the finder to select an existing shipment number, return, or internal usage shipment that has not been cleared. If a return or internal usage document is accessed, the drawer allows you to recall the document to observe the details. For new transactions, one of two transaction types can be entered, either a shipment to remove items from stock, or a return indicating that a customer returned items of which the system increases the quantity in stock. Accpac automatically displays the shipment date according to when Accpac was started. The posting date determines the fiscal year-end period assigned when transactions reach the general ledger. The year-end period field corresponds to the posting date. Optionally, enter a description and/or reference to identify the shipment, as well as optionally enter a customer number. Entering or selecting a customer number is optional even if accounts receivable is integrated. If a customer is entered, the shipment's function defaults to the price list assigned to the customer, as well as the tax group and the customer's source currency if multi-currency is in use. But again, a customer invoice is not generated in accounts receivable. The shipments icon here only creates the cost side of the accounting equation. The sales side must be entered separately, either within accounts receivable, a separate invoicing system, or directly within general ledger as a journal entry. Enter, accept, or select the price list code to use. If a customer number was entered above, the price list associated with that customer is displayed. Selecting a price list causes inventory to default to the appropriate price for the items entered in the lower portion of the window. Then enter the items on the shipment. Enter or select the internal item number and manufacturer's item number or customer item number if aliases were created. The default category for the item appears. As discussed earlier, the category code allows for item grouping as well as the assignment of the sales revenue and cost of goods sold accounts, among other accounts. The category code can be changed if necessary. The next field indicates the location where the item is to be shipped from. To view the available locations and the quantities at each location, click the finder. Then enter the number of items to ship, along with the unit of measure. The price list defaults from the top portion of the window, but it can be changed on an item-by-item basis. The unit price refers to the price list selected for the currency. The price, of course, can be changed. The system then calculates the extended price, and if the costing method of the item is user-specified, prompts for the unit cost. Optionally, enter item serial numbers, comments, and other optional field information. Repeat the process for each item. Like receipts, depending on the prompt to delete during posting setting within IC options, a message may appear when the transaction is posted to delete the shipment. If it is removed, it is not possible to recall the shipment for inquiry purposes. If preferred, shipments can automatically be saved by clearing the prompt to delete during posting option within IC options so the option does not appear, like it doesn't in this example. Individual shipments can always be removed later if necessary. If a shipment or return is recalled later, to complete the transaction or for inquiry purposes, notice that a status field appears at the top right. Posted indicates that the shipment is posted but not fully updated. Other options are entered, indicating that the shipment or return was saved but not posted, and done processing, indicating that the shipment or return was fully updated with the dynamic processing routine.
Let's take a look at internal usage transactions.